We said that there will not be any management quota. I don't want the student from coming only to force have 75% of attendance. They should be flexible about doing something which is very innovative. Electrical, computer science, electronics and mechanical. All the 4 branches, the topper in Punjab Technical University was from Chitkara. In our leadership summit, we say that every leader has to create a leader who will be the clone of that leader. Because we are not from a background of business, so we never knew that how to handle a college. But we took that step and that was turning point of our life.
दोस्तों रिसेंटली हमने विजिट किया चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी, जो कि पंजाब के वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्साइटिंग कैंपसेस में से एक है। हमने पूरा कैंपस घूमा, फैसिलिटीज देखी, हर एक स्पेस को क्लोजली एक्सप्लोर करा एंड साथ ही हमने बात करी विद डॉक्टर मधु चितकारा मैम, जो कि चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी की प्रो चांसलर एंड प्रेसिडेंट है। जो कुछ देखा, सुना और एक्सपीरियंस किया वो सब इस वीडियो में है, सो लेट्स गो। वेलकम बैक। आज मैं खड़ी हूँ राजपुरा पंजाब में एंड अगर आपने लोगो ध्यान से देखा होगा तो आपको समझ आ गया होगा आई एम इन चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी। वी आर डूइंग अ ब्रीफ कैंपस टूर ऑफ चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी, जहाँ पे मैं आपको ये जो कैंपस है उसके मेन हाईलाइट पॉइंट्स दिखाऊंगी। सो लेट्स बिगिन। वन 147 एकर्स में फैला हुआ इनका कैंपस है, जो कि लोकेटेड है ऑन नेशनल हाईवे 64। ही जो यूनिवर्सिटी है दैट इज NAC A+ ग्रेडेड और NIRF में भी ये रैंक है। सो बेसिकली ये कोई छोटी मोटी यूनिवर्सिटी नहीं है। तो एक बार पढ़ाई का माहौल भी देखते हैं। तो सबसे पहली चीज जो आप नोटिस कर सकते हो जब आप क्लासरूम में घुसते हो वो ये है कि ये आपका रेगुलर क्लासरूम नहीं है कि कोई टीचर यहाँ पे पेन पेपर से पढ़ा रहा है बोर्ड पे। दीज आर डिजिटली ऑक्यूपाइड न्यू एज क्लासरूम। अब मैं खड़ी हूँ कैंपस के सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग हिस्से में, यानी इनके हॉस्टल्स। तो यहाँ पे बॉयज गर्ल्स के डिफरेंट हॉस्टल्स हैं। बॉयज के क्लोज टू 10 हॉस्टल्स हैं, गर्ल्स के 10 हॉस्टल्स ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट है। सिंगल, ट्रिपल एंड 4 ऑक्यूपेंसी में यह हॉस्टल्स अवेलेबल है। सोचो अगर आप डे 1 से एप्पल प्रोडक्ट्स पे काम कर सके। वेल ये पॉसिबल है विद चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी बिकॉज दिस इज द iOS डेवलपमेंट सेंटर, जो कि स्पॉन्सर करा गया है बाय एप्पल इटसेल्फ। चितकारा में 10 से ज्यादा स्कूल्स हैं। इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर साइंस, मैनेजमेंट, फार्मेसी, आर्किटेक्चर, डिजाइन, लॉ, हेल्थ साइंसेस और मैरीटाइम स्टडीज भी। मतलब ये जेन्युइनली एक मल्टी डिसिप्लिनरी कैंपस है। एक ही जगह पे इतनी वैरायटी है कि चाहे तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी में हो, क्रिएटिव फील्ड में हो, हेल्थ केयर में हो, बिजनेस में हो या फिर समुंदर तक जाना हो, चितकारा में उस स्ट्रीम के लिए एक डेडिकेटेड स्कूल है। और हर स्कूल के लिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी अलग और स्पेसिफिक है। इंजीनियरिंग वालों के लिए कटिंग एज लैब्स है, डिजाइन वालों के लिए स्टूडियोज है, लॉ के लिए मूव कोर्ट जैसे फैसिलिटीज है, हॉस्पिटैलिटी वालों के लिए लाइव ट्रेनिंग किचन्स है और मैरीटाइम वालों के लिए भी उनके फील्ड के अकॉर्डिंग स्पेशलाइज्ड सेटअप। ये जेनरिक क्लासरूम्स नहीं है जहां सब एक ही सेटअप में पढ़ रहे हो। हर डिपार्टमेंट की अपनी आइडेंटिटी है, अपना स्पेस है। ओवरऑल चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी रैंकिंग्स में टॉप पर है, फैसिलिटीज वर्ल्ड क्लास है और प्लेसमेंट का रिकॉर्ड भी काफी सॉलिड है। सो अगर आप पंजाब में कॉलेजेस एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हो देन चितकारा यूनिवर्सिटी शुड डेफिनेटली बी इन योर लिस्ट।
Actually, when we started Chitkara, it was a Chitkara college, and I'm into teaching profession for the last 50 years. So in 2001, everybody, the students who were taught by me and by Dr. Chitkara, they were asking that why you are not going for formal education and about a system where you have to change something according to the norms which is need of the hour. Because it was, you talk about the curriculum at that particular time, I'm talking about 2001, 2002. That was a curriculum which was given by Punjab Technical University or given by Punjab University in this region. And that was a curriculum where which it was going for 10 years like that only. But the changes were so fast in the society, and accordingly industry was talking about something else. So that was a proper time where we thought that let us start, let us have, because we are not from a background of business, so we never knew that how to handle a college. But we took that step, and that was a, I think, turning point of our life where we took the step to start an engineering college with 240 seats. It's a very good question. Reason being that when we were starting that college, we thought that there should be something different, and what different, it was not very known to us. The first thing which we did was that there should be something which is equality for all, right? So in this region there was a management quota. That was a very wise step which we took as a Chitkarians, we can say, that there was a management quota, and everybody was saying that you have to have the two types of students in your institute. Some will be with the management quota, the fee structure will be very different, and the others will be a fee structure which is given by the Punjab Technical University. And at that time, the fees was, I think, 35,000 a year. So I declared, I think it was a very wise step. Now I think, after so many years, I think that that was a turning point and very wise step for our management, that we said that there will not be any management quota. The students will be coming to the Chitkara only on merit. So PTU declared all the seats on the screen with the joint campus admissions, and students came. So that was, and I think within 4 years, parents started having a faith in Chitkara. And the second was that I think with all of us, 9 teachers were there, we all took the pledge that we have to work on the students. That was our first priority, because when we started, the students were from a merit. Those who were the last ones came to Chitkara. So we took that pledge that let us work on them. At that time, being a teacher, it was the only thing which we thought that we can do it, and worked on the students. And luckily, I think that was a luck for Chitkara, that in first semester, all the 4 branches, it was electrical, computer science, electronics and mechanical, all the 4 branches, the topper in Punjab Technical University was from Chitkara. So that was a turning point for Chitkara. So exactly 240 to 24,000. So exactly well said that this is a scale which we have reached. But what strategy we did was that every year we were not very fast, we were not very aggressive in taking the students in bulk. So what we did, that first 2-3 years our experience was with 240 students, and at that time out of 240, 220 came to our campus. So that was the experience for engineering college. Then slowly we started with B.Ed, then we worked very heavily on it. But the base was that worked on their curriculum and worked on that how they are to be skilled using those curriculums. So it was such a beautifully, I think, done the curriculum along with the activities. So if you see now also that how we are managing 24,000 students plus, first we made the leaders. So we are making the leaders, and every year we talk about, in our leadership summit, we say that every leader has to create a leader who will be the clone of that leader. So there is a ethos which is our vision and mission, and what objectives and what values Chitkara is having, that is flowing in the system. So that is why everybody is now become a Chitkarian. They talk about the same philosophy, they talk about the same ethics, because Chitkara is now a brand. It was a family name. So Chitkara is Chit plus Kara. Chit is man, Kara is Karam. So whatever we do from our heart, it is Chitkara. So everybody is working on it. That is why we are able to manage very beautifully. I think it is a balance between the curriculum, co-curricular and the curricular activities along with the industry aligned programs. So I think we worked very hard for it, and for that it is a contribution of all the leaders in all the programs that we are working together and taking into account the stakeholders. It's not only the students, but we are taking into account the industry, the parents, the society. So when they all talk about their problems, so we do, because now it's a university, so we can work on our curriculum, and it's a very dynamic. So we are not static in curriculum. Whatever is the requirement, now you see that I'm talking to all of you, and maybe after 10 minutes there is some change in the technology, there is some change in the system. So we have to be very alert about it. So that we did. I think that is why we are managing. So I think it is why we are doing it and why we are able to do it, because we took into account the industry first and then the international partners. So we have a collaboration with 225 global universities. We visit them regularly, they are coming to us. So we just see and we just talk to them that what you are doing there, that is why Harvard is Harvard, why MIT is MIT, and why the other universities, those who are the well-known universities and everybody wants to be with there. So why the Chitkara can't be that place at that particular positioning, that now people are saying that no, we have to go to Chitkara. So for that, we are working very hard. We have started with very beautiful program, which is a Skillverse. What we are doing, that along with their curriculum, whatever content they are doing, we have told them that now our tagline is explore your potential. So whatever good in you, try to explore it. I'm sitting in an Explore Hub where my many startups are here. 188 startups are sitting. So from day one, we say that follow the path which is very near to your heart. Now, for example, one student come to me and say that, no ma'am, I don't want everything to be only the studies and studies. I want something to do on my own for my startup. So we are I think 2007, we were the first entrant into the startup system. We gave the seed money to one of the startup in 2007. And the story is that many success stories are there. The product is in the market, and I feel very happy when they are saying that we are not asking for the job, but creating the job for others. So they were very different paths which we started. I think those were the very small steps, baby steps, but reached to this stage that something very different in our content, where everybody and anybody, those who are coming, they enjoy. Our campus is very happy campus, happy going. Finland is #1 in happy, but I think our university is also somewhere where our students are happy, our professors are happy, and all the stakeholders are happy, because we have very different verticals which the students can follow. One which I want to mention, and I mention everywhere, that we have a center which is a happiness center, and we have a officer there who talks about the happiness. It's talk about, we are HQ based. People talk about IQ, intelligent quotient. People talk about EQ, emotional quotient. They talk about SQ, social quotient. But we talk about HQ first. If we are happy, if our clients are happy, they will work with their own zeal. So I think that was the thing which we added, the Skillverse programs. That is why we are different. So what we have done is that, reason being that only starting a program with AI, I don't think so it's a good thing to do. But since AI is a part and parcel of our I think life, everywhere you talk about, AI has to be there. It's not only that engineering program should have AI. Now if you talk about design school, you talk about architecture, you talk about even the hospitality, there is AI to be used. So what we have done is that the first year the student comes for any branch, we have 18 plus schools, whosoever is coming to us, the first, I think, credit program they have to do is rudiments of AI. So they know about that where to use AI, and the students, because now we know that there are electives and the core subjects. So those who want to become any of the programs, now for example, the student is in hospitality and they want to do one program or one credit course in AI. So we have that scope for them, and they take. And many real time examples are there where the students, those who were working or those who did the engineering or did the hospitality, but went into a line which was not their line, which was the core subjects, because their electives were so strong that they opted for AI as their future course. So many startups, those who are sitting here, they are from different fields but using AI. So that was very important, and we are not planning to have any program which is only AI. But what is our vision now is, the future vision is that we all sat together and we said that how AI to be amalgamated with the recent curriculum, recent content, where they are benefited by those AI tools. Many moves were there. So I think many hurdles were there, many failures were there, where I repented that I should not have done it. But yes, there were some things where, and immediately we did something which changed our ideas of doing that. Now, for example, I will tell you that there was a point where we started from, we changed from PTU affiliation to the university structure, right? So there was a point that all the students, those who were in PTU, they were to be taken as a PTU students for next 3 years, and the next year those who students were coming to Chitkara were to be affiliated with Chitkara University. Now you see our problem, that the two types of students were there in our campus. One, they were doing the curriculum with the PTU, and the others, those who were coming the fresh batch, they were with the Chitkara University curriculum. So at that time, it was a total failure for us to manage that. So we tried, because students of different students were there, deans and the professors were also not aligned to the different systems. So I think that was a hurdle, and there we little bit we struggled, but it took us 1 year to handle that problem. That was the one thing. So one thing is, I'm not worried about the student with 99% press percentile or with CGP of this should, but the student who is passionate, who is committed. And you will be amazed to know that in Chitkara, the students are not only coming from tier 1 cities, they are coming from tier 2, tier 3 also. But they are there, which are very committed. They want to do something in life, and very clear about very focused about their future. They want to do any program, but where the passion is involved, and one thing which is about Chitkara is that it is a very campus where many different avenues are there for them. So it's not that only that students are coming and they only want to do teaching or they want to be a good student. No. If he is passionate about the other programs also. So we have a very different lab. We have a center of excellences where industry has contributed so much. So I want the students, those should come to Chitkara, and they should be flexible about doing something which is very innovative. The only thing is this, and very committed. I don't want the student from coming only to force have 75% of attendance. I want to give 75% because it's there that I have to be in the class. It's not. So it's very different concept which I always wish the student should come and they should be very willingly go to the class, not for 75% attendance, but for some gain and some knowledge to be gained by them. So I think that type of student is required for Chitkara. Very different. Reason being that here we changed our philosophy from something which was already happening, and we were very fresh. We, being a teacher, because from teacher to entrepreneur, it was a different journey. We were not knowing some of the systems which was to be adopted. Now we are very well versed with all the things. We are very internationally, I think, very strong also. I visited from Boston to Seattle all the universities. You name any university in US, I visited. You name any university in Europe, I visited. In UK, because I wanted to see their best practices. Now I know everything about it. That if we, as a Chitkaran, to start a new university, it will be all the best practices which we have seen, which we have experienced from our experience in these two universities, because we have two universities in Punjab and Himachal. We have learned so much from our failures and from our successes. I think we learn more if we are failing in something, and then from there again learning something new. So I think it will be very different, and courses will also be very innovative. We will try to have many skill programs. Now, for example, here we have done plumbing as a skill program where it becomes elective for the students, even the hospitality students, even my architecture students are benefited by them, because they have to know that how the plumbers are working. Then we have many labs. It is Apple Lab, which is collaboration with Infosys. Then Capgemini hai. There are Geo Labs. So they are learning. Game designing is very popular nowadays. So I think when we are going to start a new university, it will be very different, and the industry will be from day one with academia in Chitkara. Where we will see 5 years ahead of it will be very difficult answer. I think we are moving, I think, according to what are the requirements. But after 5 years, we want, I'm not saying that we want to be that university or that university, but I want that the Chitkara universities should be globally recognized. Students should start. Now our students are going for pathway programs to other universities all across the globe, right? They are going to Deakin, they are going to Windsor, they are going to Trent University, then they are going to York's, ASU. But now I want, after 5 years, those universities students should start having faith in Chitkara, and they should start coming to Chitkara from those global universities. I think that is, which is my wish list, that they should have a faith in Chitkara. Nationally, I think students have starting having faith, because we have from all the states students are coming. But now only time has come where now students are coming from the global universities only for summer exchange or only for small period of time. But I want that they should also come pathway reverse, 2+2. That 2 years they have done there, but 2 years they are coming to Chitkara in India. So it will be a proud moment for us.